How to reset your bank password for Comerica Bank. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you through the process in order to do so. So let's just get started. So for that, you can head over to their bank login page, which is www.comerica.com, and you will be finding this particular interface right here. So look out for the login option, which is in the top right corner, and tap on it, and you will be taken to the login option right here. So on the login screen, you'll be finding section to enter up your user ID and password and login and enroll button. So right below the login button, you will be finding option called forgot password. You need to find that up and tap on it. And once you do, you will be taken to this page right here. So now all you gotta do is here enter up your user ID and then right below it your email address and follow the verification steps where you may need to add your account number, card number, or security questions. And once you complete it up, you can create a new passport following the Comerica security requirements. And once you do so, you can basically log in back with your updated credentials and confirm it. So if you'd also like to uh, reset your Comerica Bank password, you may follow up these steps. So I hope this information was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. And we'll be seeing you in another video.